Alright, Jammin JD Sports Cards, bringing you a quick box break recap. This is for our 2013 Sterling and Inception break, done April 25th, 2014. There's everyone in that break and your teams. Again, this is just a recap. If you want to watch the full video, you can find that on our Ustream channel. Alright, we will do Inception first. For the Broncos, James S., Demarius Thomas. Victor Cruz. For the Giants, Andy L. Doug Martin, 138 of 199. For the Bucks, Tim T. Aaron Rodgers, 35 of 95. For the Packers, Andy L. Denard Robinson, patch. It's nice. 63 of 93 for the Jaguars, Steve K. Redemption, auto jumbo patch base of Vance McDonald going to the Niners, James S. And Andre Ellington on-card auto for the Cardinals, Brian W. Not a bad box of Inception. For Sterling, base cards, Goodwin, Swope, Izzy-Ansah, Xavier Rhodes, Bingo Mingo, Jordan Poyer, Lonnie Pryor, Gio Bernard, Tyler Braid, Josh Boyce, Desmond Trufant, Deion Sims, Ray Wilson, and Theo Riddick. Short prints, Alex Okafor, 56 of 99 for the Cardinals, Brian W. King, 5 of 75 for the Broncos, going to James S. Robert Woods, that's a short print, 19 of 25, going to the Bills, Teresa B. And a beautiful Eddie Lacy short print, 3 of 25. Packers, Andy L. Very nice card. Jersey cards. First, we had Jordan Reed. For the Redskins, Corbin L. Matt Barkley. For the Eagles, Chris W. Andre Ellington. For the Cardinals, Brian W. Tyler Wilson. For the Raiders, James S. Ryan Nassib. For the Giants, Andy L. Gorgeous patch, Mike Gillislee, Dolphins, 03 of 75, going to Richard P. That is a beautiful patch. And a very nice Geno Smith, that's the box topper, 49 of 50. For the Jets, going to Debbie J. Autos. First up, Jonathan Franklin for the Packers, Andy L. Nice Eric Reed auto for the Niners, going to James S. Derek Rogers going to the Bills, Teresa B. Then we have this redemption, Marcus Lattimore, Blue Wave Refractor auto, Niners going to James S. Nice patch auto of Joseph Randall, 121 of 125, going to the Cowboys, Chris W. And the last hit, Mike Glennon, another jersey auto, 102 of 130, going to Tim T. Bucks. There you have it. There's a Sterling Inception break. We're breaking every Friday and most of the time Sunday. If you want to get in our breaks, you can check us out on Twitter at JamminJDCards or go to our website, www.jamminjdcards.com.